Hello guys, so today we're gonna do one of these little treat videos. This is a different one. So we're gonna use two of this Christmas tree, and we're just gonna go place everything to the other side, to one side. Just go ahead and fill it up the other side around it, and just leave the one side like empty. And then after that, just fix it like bending a little bit down like that. So you're just gonna go ahead and fix it like that. Then after you guys do that, we're gonna take the other Christmas tree and we're going to do the same thing, and then we're gonna place them together like that. So just put it in the same level like that. Then I'm going to take this zip tie and I'm going to attach it in the middle like that. Just attach it down in the bottom and also at the top. Then after you attach it to both sides, just grab your scissor and cut that part out. This one is just to make a fuller. Then go ahead and go grab your spray paint, and we're going to spray paint it. We're also going to use this little glass, and we're going to spray paint it in white as well. For the Christmas tree, just sprinkle like a little bit, like don't sprinkle a lot, just sprinkle a little bit like that, just until you change the color into white, just like this. Just fill it up into whatever you like, your liking of the spray paint. Then after that, I'm gonna take this floral foam and I'm gonna place it inside, and it's just to measure, and then I'm just gonna cut it out so it could be the same size as the glass that I have in there. Then once I cut it out, I'm gonna put some hot glue around it. Make sure to put enough hot glue and then place it inside like that. Then I'm gonna grab another piece. You could just grab one whole piece, but I have two pieces, so I'm just gonna put these two pieces together and then just fill it up like that. Then after that, I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue. You don't have to, but I like to attach it perfectly. So I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue and then just place it inside the floral foam like that. And then I'm gonna take this little cute little branches. I'm gonna put it around it. I'm just gonna do this just to make it fuller like that. I'm gonna take this also these branches as well. This one is a little bit longer, and I'm also gonna attach it around it as well. Then this one, I'm just gonna just place flowers. Here you could do whatever flower of your liking. I'm gonna do little flowers, like bigger and small. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and place it around it. Here just choose the color, and then I'm gonna use some Christmas ball as well and place it around it. I'm gonna use also a little bit a red little cherry to place it around it. Just go ahead and fill it up, the whole thing. I'm also gonna use this cute little red one just so it could pop a little bit. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. I think it's so cute and so simple for you guys to do at home. And you guys can also add some lights around it. Those lights that they have, the string lights around, I think will look great as well with the light or without. It's up to you. Now this is I did 3 Christmas tree. This is the third one, and then this one was the second one that I did before. And I want you to comment down below letting me know which one is your favorite. Number 1, this one number 2, or this one that is number 3. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like this DIY video. And let's not forget to comment, share, and like. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.